Hello YouTube, it is Josiah, Fantastic Josiah. And yes, I don't know if I recorded when I'm 13 now, but yes, I'm 13. I don't know if I posted anything when I was 13. I do not know. Do not judge me. I haven't posted in a while. So, I have peanut butter slime, peanut butter slime, and 3 pounds of slime. And I both got this from Walmart in the slime section, I guess, where there's like a bunch of not fidget spinners, but like fidget stuff. And like, I got this, and this was the last blue, like the last one. When I went there last time, they had green, but when I went there again, they didn't have it. But now they did, and they have my second favorite color, which is blue, and it has bubbles. Because I was touching it, because today I'm going to be rating both of these. Because I have just touched it, but I need to touch them some more. So yeah. So first we're going to start with the little, and then go to the big. So, peanut butter slime. I'm going to start with the casing. It looks just like peanut butter. I could probably like, you want some peanut butter on that sandwich? Okay, yeah. And then go like that, and go like that. And be like, here you go. Yes, it farts. That's, and when it's like that, it's hard to put back in. Yeah, that's the one thing that I am. But it's really cool, and I like it. I love the casing. And I like how they have a big label that says, do not put in your mouth. And it has everything you should not do. Really, really big. And it says, not food, only fun. And this is magic time. And then, yeah. And it's made in China. And see, it says choking hazard. So, yeah, peanut butter. And it's ages 6 and up. So, let's start to touch it. So, it's really fluffy. I wouldn't say it's fluffy slime, but it's like fluffy putty. It isn't really necessarily slime because it doesn't really stretch. Watch. Hold on. I can't grab it. It really does look like duty. But I do love the popping noises. It doesn't stretch, it pulls. Shh, Rocky. He's like running across the floor. Oh, it's so, like, there. Okay, I finally ripped it, but it looks just like Dookie on camera. It smells like putty. It slaps like putty. And the container makes a farting noise. And it's hard to put back in. So usually you go like this. And you make like this circular thing. And you just like, and you like, kind of like, it's just like the fatness on the top, just, yeah. Or you just keep pushing the sides in. And then after a while, it'll just go down. So yeah. Out of 10, I'll give this a 7. 7 out of 10 for this one. Because it feels like putty. It doesn't feel like slime. But I would guess because they were trying to make it peanut butter. So 8 kind of. I don't know. I'm still somewhere in the 7. Now, we go to the 3 pounds. And yes, it is slime. And it's 3 pounds, literally. It's really heavy. Well, not that heavy, but it's heavy. So usually when you get it, they have this thing where you have to break it off in order to actually tear it, because this isn't this part. I was like trying to open this. I was like, oh my god, it won't open. But I just realized it was this. And we're going to talk about the outside. And I love how these stripes are like popping the 3 pound slime thing. And then it is super stretchy. Really made. No glue needed. It's squishy fun. I'm just reading the thing. Yeah, and it has little eyeballs, and it is really heavy. And I like how it's just simple. And yeah. Has it on both sides. Oh, I didn't even see the back side. It had the back side. Okay, so it says, stretch it, squeeze it, and squeeze it. To avoid drying, store your compressor in sealed container. Not food. Okay, it does say, I was about to say, but it does not say not food. So, we're going to open this. It smells like when you go to the beach and there's a bunch of birds everywhere and you hear that smell, that ocean smell. I don't know. We're gonna pop the bubbles on top first. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. We're gonna start poking it and then we're gonna pick it up and then just keep poking it. Here we go. Please don't fall out. Okay. I hate how the container moves. It's not satisfying. No, we lift. Ah! There's so much. Okay, again. Ah, the milk. I always couldn't touch my glasses. Okay, now we're gonna wing, wing, wing. Ugh. It does pop. Ooh, you heard that? I cracked my knuckles on it. This is definitely a 10 out of 10. This is just like slime, but I'll give it a 9 out of 10 because of the smell. It smells like rubber. It really does smell like rubber, but it stretches and it does everything it needs to. Okay, so, woo. So, yeah. So, this one was a 7 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Bye, guys. Have a good day.